Hello, dear students. Dheeraj sir and I, Abhinav Negi, welcome you all on Byju's exam prep. So, your GATE examination is done and the top IITs, or you're getting a mediocre score, so you're confused between the new IITs or some interdisciplinary branch in IITs and NITs, or you are getting very low score, or even you have not qualified the GATE. The complete post-GATE guidance sessions will be on this YouTube channel, irrespective of your high score, low score, or even not GATE qualified. What are the opportunities? Let me tell you one more thing, guys, on behalf of all the faculties who are teaching in this channel. Guys, sometimes you get a very low score and some teachers or your seniors are motivating you, no, give one more attempt, give one more attempt, give bar, give other exam. Guys, let me tell you on behalf of all the faculties, might be you are that kind of student for whom these technical exams are not suitable. Might be you are suitable to private or some stuff, any other thing other than this technical session. Okay, so we will be guiding you totally unbiased. Means if you're not fit for here, we frankly will be telling you that try your career in some other field. Let me tell you, if with lot of effort, you're not able to get even 15 marks, 18 marks, that means you're suitable for somewhere else. Now, guys, coming back to this session, here we will be telling you that sometimes your motive is getting 500 rank, 700 rank, 800 rank, so that at least you can go for IIT. But might be due to some silly mistakes or due to some unexpected questions or because you have not performed well on those 3 hours, you're not getting that top rank. You're getting rank around 2000, 2500. Still, you want to go for IITs. So what are the possibilities? What are the cutoff, especially new IITs and interdisciplinary branch? That Dheeraj sir and me will be telling. अब मैंने बहुत लंबा ले लिया है, धीरज सर बहुत देर से वेट करें. सर इंग्लिश बोलते बोलते मैं थोड़ा आगे ही चला गया. नाउ ओवर टू धीरज सर.
Okay, sir. Thank you for that. So, guys, like sir have already told you, first of all, I would like to tell you there are many students are like just at the time of 11th, 12th, they are having one thing in their mind कि IIT जाना है. I want a tag of IIT. So for those students, when they are not able to get that during the B.Tech, they are looking for कि in M.Tech at least we can get. So for that, they are giving the exam of GATE. So guys, for those students, but if you are getting the marks not that well, you can assure your IIT selection. So for that, this session is where we will be telling you all the possibilities that how you can get into IIT with the low GATE score as well. So one by one, we will see, guys. This is some detail about me. These are the sessions for BARC weightage. I will be taking for mechanical, Abhinav sir for civil. And for previous year's cutoff of top IITs, tonight we are going to meet for this session at 8:30 p.m. Don't miss it. This is previous year's cutoff of top IITs we will see. And for civil people, subject weightage will be taken by Abhinav sir. And for previous year's cutoff for civil, Abhinav sir will be taking tomorrow at 8:30 p.m. And guys, Non-Tech Express is going on for ESC students. And 14th February, there is a workshop detailed 1-year preparation strategy for GATE 25 will be taken by Rakesh Talreja sir on Byju's exam prep app. You can register for free. Link is there in the description. So guys, if you have already made your mind, you can join Vision 25-26 courses where you will get live class, practice quiz, recorded lecture, mock test, study material. And if you want one-to-one counseling, you can call directly on this or fill the form available in the description of this session. Now we are starting, guys. So the very first thing you shall go for if you are just looking for a tag of IIT is nothing but the new IITs. You know, top 7 IITs you are generally aware of, like IIT Delhi, IIT Bombay, IIT Madras. Then you are having IIT Roorkee, IIT Guwahati, IIT Kanpur, IIT Kharagpur. But there are many new IITs opened for which the GATE scores are going slightly lower than the old IITs. You may be saying, sir, can you show the GATE score for that? So I am having sample for 3 to 4 IITs for you, and I will give you all the list of new IITs where you can get a selection easily. So guys, this is, you can see for IIT Patna. You can see for civil, the cutoff was 490 GATE score. You can see for computer science, it was 600. For mechanical, it was 560. For electronics, it is 550. For material science, it is 460, which is a very low gate score. You can see 460 if you are talking about. So 460 gate score means you would be having marks somewhere 40 to 45. Okay, so that kind of marks you can get. Okay, and when we are talking about other IITs, like there is IIT Palakkad, you can see computer science and engineering 418 for general, computer science and engineering 448, and civil engineering geotechnical 599, manufacturing and material 578, electrical engineering 554. So these are some examples I am showing you guys. So if you see these examples, there are many such options, and I am having complete list of new IITs. Okay. Then if you want to see one more, that is IIT Ropar. Okay. This is IIT Ropar. So when we are talking about this IIT Ropar, you can see M.Tech Thermal 567. If you see new IITs, you will see thermal branch, you will be getting in a score of 716, 705, that kind of score. So you can see the difference. And guys, you can see for manufacturing 445. For mechanics and design 621. So computational mechanics 582. Then you can see power engineering 543. So M.Tech communication and signal 513. VLSI likewise you can see, guys. So this is for general. I am saying for OBC, SC, ST, EWS, for all category I have kept, because every time students are saying, sir, you are only showing for general, what about others? So we are showing for every category. Okay. So guys, I feel you guys are getting this thing. What is the expected career after IIT Bombay M.Tech? This is good, dear Abhishek. So now we are moving further. One more IIT I am having for IIT Gandhinagar. Okay. So when we are talking about IIT Gandhinagar, this is also a new IIT. For computer science, yes, gate scores are exceptional, because there, if you will see, even if here you are having 726, for top IIT you will be having more than 850. Okay. So here you can see for civil 446. For mechanical 723, chemical 583, biomedical it is 439, material science it is 576. So why I have shown you this? Here mechanical is having high score, but you can see material science is having 576. So in some of the IITs, 1-2 branch may be very famous. Their cutoff will be very high, but others, all the branches for new IITs will give you a better way. Dear, this is for all the branches. Okay. Mavadia Parth, this is for all the branches. This is not only for gate score from XC. Whatever the cutoff scores I am showing you, that is the branch of M.Tech, and these scores are including XC score as well. Okay. Because this is made a combined list. And also, I would be telling you one more thing, that from tomorrow onwards, we will be coming with a series where individually also you will be getting all the cutoffs for all the IITs also. So moving further, guys. तो सर अभिनव सर को मैं इनवाइट करूंगा एक बार फिर से. सर आ जाइए आप. तो वो स्क्रीन बड़ा करने के लिए सर थोड़ा सा चले गए थे ताकि आप देख पाए. तो गाइस, नाउ आई विल बी शोइंग यू द लिस्ट ऑफ IIT, or whenever we are talking about those options of new IITs, what are those? Let us see one by one. So you can see, guys, we have IIT Gandhinagar, IIT Jodhpur, IIT. These are all new IITs. IIT Indore, IIT Bhilai, IIT Patna, and if you see these 5 IITs, here IIT Gandhinagar is having slightly better cutoff for mechanical. If you see all others and all other branches, they are going to be nominal lesser than the top IITs. Then we have the second list: IIT Mandi, IIT Tirupati, IIT Palakkad, IIT Bhubaneswar. Okay. Then you can also see the next: IIT Ropar, IIT Jammu. Then we have IIT Goa, IIT Dharwad, and IIT Hyderabad. Why I have put IIT Hyderabad with different color? Being a new IIT, but still, because its placement records are excellent. If you see for IIT Hyderabad, cutoffs are on higher side like the old IITs. That's why this I will say that you can exclude at low scores. That's why I have shown it with different color. So over to you, sir.
Okay. So, guys, these are the list of the new IITs, and sir has given the cutoff also. What was the cutoff for general OBC SC, like 446. 446 means, guys, first of all, guys, before I go further, let me tell you one thing. Why we are not showing the rank, or why IIT is not showing the rank but cutoff? Rank they are not showing for the selection. Marks also they are not showing for the selection. They are scoring. They are saying you the score. Okay. Why it is the reason? The reason is, guys, that gate score is valid for 3 years. Okay, gate score is valid for 3 years. Now, guys, might be a student who this time suppose paper is easy, so a student is getting 80 marks. Last time in 2023 the paper was very tough, student getting 78 marks, but that 78 is better than this year's 80 na, because 78 was scored in a tougher paper. Therefore guys, to scale all the 3-year candidates on a similar field, gate score is developed, and there is a huge complex formula for finding out the gate score. That formula includes the standard deviation of all the students, average marks of all the students, average marks of top 0.1% students. So there is a complex formula that जो all 3 years के student है ना, the student of all 3 years, they are on a single scale with a score, not on the basis of rank. We can distinguish the students of 3 years, not on the basis of marks. We can distinguish the student of 3 years, but on the basis of score, we can segregate the students. Okay, that is why the score is used. Now, at what score, what rank is expected? That for that we both, me and Dheeraj sir, have taken a session. Sir has taken for mechanical, I have taken for civil. You can see that at what score, what rank we expect. Otherwise, you can write on the comment box of this session. After this session, on the comment box, you can write that my score is this, or what for this score, what rank is expected. We'll be telling you approximate range. Now, guys, these were the new IITs. Even guys with old IITs with lesser rank, sometimes you can go in the old IITs, but with interdisciplinary branch. Okay, what is interdisciplinary branch? Interdisciplinary branch means a branch where 2 or 3 or many branches can go. Like if a branch, if I say, is rural development. Now this rural development has nothing to do with civil, nothing to do with mechanical, electrical, electronics. So these, in this field, any engineer can go. So that is an interdisciplinary branch where more than 2 or 3 or 4 whatever disciplines can go and study and get research there. So guys, in interdisciplinary branch, what are the branches? Like material science. Now this material science, for everyone they can start. Okay, obviously mechanical students or electrical students will be a little edge, but still the other students, if they started preparing it, they can do it. So these are some branches. Energy system can be done by any engineer. Okay, so these are some branches, interdisciplinary branches, where a student can go. And data science is a huge opportunity in terms of placement, both magnitude wise placement, the amount of package, and number of placements also. Okay, so these are some interdisciplinary branches where you can go in old IITs also with a even average score. Now one more thing here guys, that in all these branches, it is not like that in every branch, civil, mechanical, electrical, electronics, computer science, all are eligible. In this, all are eligible. Depending upon the branch, interdisciplinary branch, and depending on the IIT, few combinations are there. In this material science, the student from civil, let us XE, mechanical, EC can enroll. In this energy system, student from civil, mechanical, XE, or computer science can enroll. And it may also be possible that the selection requirement of energy system of IIT Bombay and IC Bangalore may be different. Might be IIT Bombay is recruiting for civil, mechanical, XE, and couple of other branches. Might be the same branch in IC Bangalore, they are recruiting for civil, XE, and some other. They are not including mechanical. Okay, or vice versa can also be possible. Okay. Now, guys, sacrifice the branch. If you sacrifice the core branch, guys, okay, and you go to interdisciplinary branch, then guys, these are the cutoff of old IITs. Okay, like IIT Bombay, guys, for energy, this is interdisciplinary branch where electrical, mechanical, CH, and others, for other some specializations which are eligible, these were the cutoffs. Like if you go in IIT Bombay only, I'm talking technology and development. Here all branches are applicable. So even with a gate score of 500, okay, so 500 gate score means you are getting a rank almost 2000 in most of the branches. Okay, so even with that rank, you can go to technology and development. Education technology, eligible, all branches are eligible. Okay, material manufacture, MT, production engineering, and mechanical engineering are eligible. So these are the gate scores. Okay, now over to Dheeraj sir.
Yes, guys. So now we are coming to the most important point, that is sport round counseling. If you see, guys, like last year also COAP, who is going to do the counseling for IITs. So what they are doing actually, they are having some 8 to 10 rounds of counseling. And after that, when all the students, all the rounds are completed, there are sport round. Actually, whenever different rounds are going on, generally some students who are also looking for PSU, they are just having, they are just getting the admissions, or they are blocking the seat, because of which at that time, maybe with lesser rank students are not getting. But as the things are getting more away and clear, you can say some students are getting PSUs, and also some students wants to go to the top NIT rather than new IITs. So these kind of things also happen sometimes. So because of that, many seats in the IITs are getting empty, and then those seats are filled in the sport rounds of counseling. And in the sport round, then there is no option to that block the seat. Either you have to take the admission or leave it. So because of that, at that time, many seats at very less rank students are getting, and they are becoming blessing for those students. And I am showing you one example for that. I am showing you ISM Dhanbad. You can see in the very first round for mechanical, the cutoff was 689 gate score. But in the sport round, it was 406. Just look at the difference. This is the score at which at our time we were not even getting a good NIT. I'm telling you, at our time, 406 score means you will be getting a NIT, which is also coming in the last 2-3 NITs. Okay, but this time you can see for ISM Dhanbad, 689 to 406. In civil, you can see 684 to 422. You can see computer science 746 to 607. For electrical, 711 to 377. Then 662 to 447. So guys, this is what is going to happen. What is the reason behind that? The reason behind that is every IIT have their own way to take. In COAP, you will be registering for sure. After that, some IITs are going to take their own interviews. So that is why they are giving you more than one option. So that is why whenever the counselings are going on, then the scores are going little bit higher. But as the students are getting the seats booked, then slowly, you will see in the sport round, you will be getting that much opportunities with very low gate score. I'm not talking about the new IIT. This is ISM Dhanbad. So guys, you can see this is what you can get. So that's why I want to say that these all are the things which can make you in IIT. So you just need to aware of the things. The problem is students are not aware of all these things. That's why this session we have kept just after the GATE exam. Okay, because now you already know whenever COAP counseling will be coming, you will already be having all these things in the mind. So you will not leave patience and you will try for sport round. You may get top IITs even it is possible. Yes, sir, Abhinav, sir, I would.
जी sir.
Abhinav, sir, you can join now. Now, Abhinav, sir will be joining us. So, guys,
सर
we
ज्वाइन
have.
कर लिया.
Okay, कर लिया.
हेलो.
हाँ हाँ सर.
मेरा दिख रहा है ना वीडियो.
हाँ हाँ सर दिख रहा है.
स्मार्ट सा. Okay. So guys, we have told you about the new IITs, old IITs, spot round, everything. Apart from this, guys, even you want to go to IITs and even you don't have a valid gate score, or you are not having even an average gate score, still there are options to go to IITs. Like you have to leave the M.Tech program and go to MS program. Now, the recruitment of the M.Tech, like I was sitting in the IIT Delhi in geotechnical batch, na? So couple of students from MS also, even those students have not qualified the GATE exam are with us. Okay, so you can go for the MS. Okay, in IITs there is M research, M dot research, there is something, but recruitment of that M research or MS is different for all IITs. Like my time in 2012 to 2014, like I can name the student also, Rohit Tiwari. He was from civil engineering background, not qualified GATE, but he has given some interview or something for a particular project under a teacher. Okay, suppose there is a teacher. That time the teacher, my teacher was Tanushree Shukla. Okay, so under him, he has some authority that he can enroll couple of students as a research, and those students later converted their research to MS. Okay, with the help of that teacher or something. Okay, so of course, in their degree, M.Tech will not be written, MS will be written. Similarly, guys, one more thing is there, that is winter program. Okay, धीरे सर आपने भी सुना होगा ना सर विंटर प्रोग्राम.
सर इवन हमने
विंटर प्रोग्राम.
नोटिफिकेशन भी लिए हैं. इवन
हाँ
हमने
सर.
नोटिफिकेशन भी लिए हैं.
हाँ, तो सारे तो चैंपियन है नोटिफिकेशन और पूरे सारे डाटा के। तो विंटर प्रोग्राम भी होते हैं जहां पे आप एनरोल कर सकते हैं। सो if guys there are some like I cannot say in general na, so this is the way to go to MS or this is the way to go to winter program. We cannot tell you the direct way or direct recruitment procedure because all ITs have different recruitment. Some ITs are only on the basis of interview, and a teacher is assigned a project, and in that project he can enroll 2 students. Then only on the basis of interview, that professor is recruiting the students and enrolling in the winter program or MS program. Okay. Also, you can go MS from even foreign universities like Germany and Singapore. And those universities in Germany and Singapore are the universities which are having global ranking under 50, like National University of Munich, Nanyang Technical Universities. ओके ऐसा नहीं है कि जर्मनी और सिंगापुर में यूनिवर्सिटी है तो अच्छा ही होगा भाई। जैसे इन इंडिया देयर आर गुड बैड एंड एवरेज यूनिवर्सिटीज लाइक इन जर्मनी सिंगापुर ऑल्सो गुड। ऐसा नहीं है कि जर्मनी जा रहे हो या सिंगापुर जा रहे हो तो अच्छा ही होगा। बट द वेयर गेट इज सेंडिंग यू, those universities are the top universities of those countries, and global ranking of those universities like National University of Munich, Nanyang Technical Universities is under 50. So you can also go to the MS program there. Now guys, Dheeraj sir will be taking a detailed video of difference between MS and M.Tech. Okay, complete detailed video will be by Dheeraj sir within next few days. ऐसा सही है ना, जैसे धीरज सर को फंसा दो ऐसे लाइव करके बोल दो सर ये लेंगे, अब सर पूरा सर तैयार के लग जाएंगे। सर सीएससी का कोई बच्चा है सॉफ्ट, सॉफ्ट नाम है, सीएससी के बच्चे सॉफ्ट होते भी है सर, वो नाम भी सॉफ्ट है। आई एम फ्रॉम सीएससी, आई एम गेटिंग 55 मार्क्स, कैन आई गेट एंड एससी कैटेगरी? सी जनरल कैटेगरी का मेरे को पता है सॉफ्ट, जनरल कैटेगरी इन कंप्यूटर साइंस इफ योर रैंक इज अंडर 250 यू विल बी गेटिंग अ डिसेंट IIT. For SCA, I'm not knowing till now. You
Sir,
can ask me.
I feel he will be getting new IIT for sure.
Otherwise, you can ask me in my email ID. Okay, me or Dheeraj sir, any, we will be telling you the complete cutoff of your category for different IITs by asking the concerned faculty.
Sir, I feel on this channel we will come up for those for all branches.
Okay, ठीक है। तो guys, now Dheeraj sir will be taking a dedicated video for mechanical, the last year cutoffs. Okay, and that video is today.
Yes, today.
Today that video will be there. Tomorrow I will be taking at 8:30 p.m. for civil, the detailed video for cutoffs for IIT. Okay, so tonight Dheeraj sir will be taking at 8:30 p.m. Tomorrow I will be taking, and tonight at 8:30 p.m. I will be taking the weightage analysis of BARC. Okay, so that also I will be telling you. ESC non-tech is same for every department. Yes, questions are same, everything is same.
Sir, I
C
feel
का
8:30 नहीं, मेरा 8 पे है, मैं भूल गया था।
8 पे है सर का।
हाँ
ठीक है, 8:30 पे मेरा है आज बार्क वाला, बार्क वेटेज एनालिसिस। एंड सिविल जिस क्या कहते हैं उसको, सिविल का जो एमटेक होगा वो टुमारो 8:30 PM पे। ओके, so thank you guys. For any other detail you can ask us on the comment section, we'll be replying there. Okay, thank you.